A food truck, a baker, and a meal prep company may look like three businesses. Behind the scenes, all three can depend on the same thing: a licensed commercial kitchen they rent instead of build. That creates the commissary model. The operator provides compliant space, equipment, sanitation, storage, and scheduling. Members bring their own products, staff, recipes, permits, and customers. The obvious revenue is hourly kitchen time. But a kitchen has expensive dead hours. Breakfast producers may want early morning, caterers want prep before events, and food trucks may return late for cleaning and storage. Utilization is not simply hours booked. One tenant may occupy an oven, prep table, walk-in shelf, dish area, and loading zone at once. The bottleneck can move even when half the room looks empty. That is why storage often matters as much as cooking. Dry shelves, refrigerated space, freezer space, packaging, carts, and secure ingredient bins can become recurring monthly revenue, and recurring arguments if allocation is vague. Cleaning cannot be an honor system. The operator needs documented handoffs, sanitation standards, waste rules, grease management, pest control, and a clear charge when a member leaves the next shift a mess. Permits vary by location and product. The building may be permitted, yet each business can still need its own approvals. A sauce company, caterer, and mobile vendor may not follow identical rules. Scheduling software helps, but the contract must explain cancellations, overtime, shared equipment, damage, allergens, deliveries, guests, and who loses access after repeated violations. The strongest locations sit near the businesses they serve and the roads they use. Cheap industrial space far from customers, markets, and food truck routes can add labor and mileage to every production day. A kitchen can also earn from onboarding, classes, procurement, packaging, business support, or shared delivery. Those services help only when members value them. Mandatory extras can make the kitchen less useful than renting elsewhere. Before building, interview actual operators and model demand by hour, equipment, and storage type. A waitlist for Friday evening does not prove the kitchen will be used Tuesday afternoon. A successful commissary does not sell stainless steel. It sells a reliable production home that lets several food businesses grow without each one carrying an entire kitchen lease.